Find a hole. Find a hole, come back over here and I'll hand it to you. Alright guys, so Karl is about ready to maiden his X-Class. He's going to do a quick line of sight hover. It's down there. Try to get you guys zoomed in a little more. Let's see if I can in this. Yeah, he's running back.
It's powered on.
So how are you feeling right now, Karl? Are you feeling confident?
I'm feeling confident because Matt set it up.
Oh God. So all the pressure is on me.
Yes, if it freaks out, it's your fault. And don't forget, we're flying an X-Class on the DJI radio also.
Yeah. This is your first time using the DJI radio, right?
Correct. We just got back from Ocean City with the DJI FPV and Crossfire and flew 1.5 miles over water.
Oh yeah.
That was pretty cool.
So you know that stuff's good.
Yeah, the FPV is great. We got the new X-Air built for DJI antenna. Still need some different omnis, but works good. All right, so we're gonna do a line of sight. Arm.
Here we go.
Oh, fingers on the disarm.
Oh, it hovers.
Too sensitive.
What rates did you put in it?
My usual, but it, you know, I never usually fly this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh geez. Are you doing that?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
Just be on it. All right. It's FPV time.
All right, here we go.
Those are different. Feels like the same. Whatever, let's just fly. Okay, we gave it about half throttle. Or we're shaking a little bit.
You are?
No, the quad is.
Is that full throttle?
Almost.
Sounds mean. Everything's fast. Holy cow. Man, I hope the camera can get some of this.
Yeah, I'm not flying it close to us.
No.
No worries there. Even though it feels good. I think it's like more of a prop wash thing.
Yeah, he's probably keen to tune this thing.
But I mean, it flies good. You can just see it.
Beta flight's so geared for 5-inch.
Whoa, man, it floats forever though.
I know, so I was saying the momentum, it probably carries so much momentum.
Yep. I just did like a backwards roll and it just floated forever. So this is my first time with this controller too, so that goes.
Yeah.
So who knows exactly what, but it flies well. It's just,
Yeah. Looks like it does.
holy shit, that's so cool.
Yeah. It looks cool. You actually can see a quad flying.
Yeah, I think that's the whole point of X-Class.
Wow.
That you can see it.
It's definitely a lot more impressive. That is for sure. Like,
Yeah, the full roll rate feels the same. It rolls as fast as my 5-inch. My 5-inch I have dumbed down, so
yeah.
normal 5-inch could roll faster. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Crazy.
You just pop up and you're just like drop the throttle
You're
and then
still
it's like,
floating down. That's crazy.
yeah, you pop the throttle and it's like, all right, you got another 50 feet before we start losing altitude.
And what's your battery looking like?
25.5 volts. 2 minutes and 30 seconds of flight time.
What's not good on an 8S?
Well, let me do some math.
3.8.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. All of your propellers just blew up.
That's okay.
What happened?
I don't know.
What'd it do?
It just stopped, like it desynced or something. Just like.
Well, your quad's all smashed up now. It was really cool when it flew, though.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Unsure.
Unsure?
I'm worried about that ESC. Remember it was hot?
Yeah. Alright.
Let's go look at it.
Alright, so Karl's going down and assessing the damage. From what I saw, it did not look good. Propellers went everywhere. That was the Maiden flight. There was a ESC that just sitting on the bench felt a little warm. Warmer than the others when we were setting this thing up. So, yeah, not good, but he's got a lot of spare parts he got with this thing. So, I'm sure we'll get it figured out.
I'm not sure.
How's it look?
One of the ESCs was really hot, like we thought.
Yeah, that's what I was just telling everybody, is that we had an ESC that felt really hot.
But twisted an arm a little. I have like a 30 of those.
Yeah.
Oh, we do have some props.
Yeah, all your drone wings.
Yeah, they always pick up your drone wings.
Wow. What is that? $40 in propellers?
Something like that.
Yeah.
I got a lot of them though. That I didn't pay
Not
for.
if you do that every flight, you're not going to have a lot of them.
Batteries are good and they're the expensive part.
Batteries are good. What about the motors?
Motors are good, they still spin.
They probably got some serious bearings in them.
Yeah.
So you think it was a desync?
I think so, because everything was flying along. I still had radio. Like the radio, I disarmed and it was like, okay, you disarmed. It wasn't like...
So you disarmed it midair?
I saw a desync and I was like, alright, let's disarm.
Was it tipping an arm?
Yeah, just...
Do you know which arm it was tipping?
I don't know. Can't remember. I could watch the video and check.
Yeah. I'll have to get that video from you too.
I think it's probably an ESC that was hot.
Do you have any extras of those?
No.
Any final words about the X-Class?
Yeah, no, it's pretty sweet. You can certainly hear it coast through the air.
Yeah.
You hear it chop the, almost like when you chop the throttle and then re-punch it, and it's just like...
Yeah.
It's cool. Yeah, maybe we'll try a new ESC. Might just be something wrong with that one, something minorly shorting. See where we go.